Let's make some felt roses. So I didn't feel like making a bow today. So let's pull out our felt from Crafty Bella Co. Bella's Flower 03. I'll tag her in the video. And I'm using these 3 dies. I'm using the leaf die, die number 262. I'm using the rolled up rose, die number 486, the classic rose. And I'm using this one, is the new strip die, it's longer, die number 1147. So let's get started. So first we're gonna cut out our roses. So out of one sheet, you can make one little pigtail set. So if you guys haven't noticed, I like everything in sets. So we're gonna fold it in half. I have a sheet, I'm gonna fold it in half. And this one's better with wool blended felts. If you use cheap felts, it'll kind of fall apart. So I recommend you getting some good quality felts, which Bella's Flower 03 sells, Crafty Bella Co. So we're gonna cut this right here. And this little piece I'm cutting off, we're gonna need. So don't throw this little piece away. This little piece, we're gonna use right here. We're gonna cut it right here to make our little strips that we're gonna line our alligator clips. So these are the they have no teeth, single prong alligator clips is what we're gonna use. And I get these off of Sally. The Sally Beauty Store is where I get those from. So then we're gonna need some leaves. And we're gonna use, which ones do I wanna use? I think we're gonna use these two, the little ones. But we'll do that next. Let's run this through our Sizzix Big Shot Plus that I have on my table. So I'm gonna put my plate on the bottom. I have my felt here. Put this one here. Go this way. Here's my Sizzix Big Shot Plus. And we're gonna roll it through. And see how fast it cuts? It's super easy. We have one here. Look at it. So fun. There goes one. Keep that over here. And let's do our second one. Second one's over here. We're just going to pull it up. And that's how easy you can cut felt roses. Super easy. Okay, so we have our 2 felt roses cut out. Now we're going to get this longer one. And we're going to cut our little strips. So we're going for the skinnier ones because this one's gonna line our alligator clip like this. So we're going to put our felt here. We're going to cover it up and we're going to roll it through our Sizzix Big Shot Plus again. Put you guys this way, you guys can see what's going on. Roll that this way. And now we have our little strips. So we only need 2, but we got 2 for our next set of roses. So we keep these for next time. Now let's cut out our leaves. So for the leaves, we're gonna use this one and we're gonna need 2 of them. So I already have mine already folded in half. So I'm just gonna line it up like this and then cut out a little square. So when you're making these in bulk, what I do is I cut a whole bunch of little squares out and cut in bulk. But we're just doing one at a time. So I'm gonna put this here and we're gonna roll it through our Sizzix Big Shot Plus again. So here's my machine. Go back this way. And it is cut. So here's one leaf. And here is our second leaf. So let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. So we have our strip, we have our little single prong alligator clip, we have our leaves cut out. We're gonna need a little square and our tweezers and some scissors. So to get started, first you get your rose that we cut out. This is the bottom, the end part. We're gonna start from the other side.